I'm going to show you what we're going to show you what we're going to do on this lovely Volkswagen T6, which is the same as the T5 but newer. Similar, I think they're the same chassis on them. So some of the bits do interchange. On this particular one, we've done a swamper kit where the customer's bought his own springs to lift the suspension up. He's bought bigger set of wheels, tyres, an A-bar for the front, and a snorkel so he can go wading on the way to school.
Hello.
So we have a Volkswagen T6 in at the moment, which is a camper conversion. He's already started it.
Have we?
Well, it's not quite here at the moment.
Oh.
Because I actually fucked up the audio on the video.
Did you?
I did.
Ah.
I did a mistake.
Oh.
Right, so we've got a Volkswagen T6 camper van conversion, still being campered at the moment. Camp. As you can see in the background, we've got the big Nissan Navara that we've already lifted. Guess what we're doing to the T6?
Beast mode activating.
What am I doing?
Intro.
So we've got a Volkswagen Transporter T6, which is the newer version of the T5, which is basically the same with different lights and a few little things changed on them.
Oh, is that?
Yeah, they're basically the same floor pan as far as I know.
Oh,
Yeah,
okay.
They just put different lights and bumpers on to make them look a bit newer.
I know I know when the T4 came in, it went from a rear engine to a front engine.
It was
so
a T25 before that, which was rear engine. Then it went T4, which was front engine.
Ah.
Yeah, see?
So I knew that from the article that I wrote about that orange one that we
Did
did. Yeah.
Yeah.
Did a
You
little
wrote an
bit of
article.
I on our magazine,
On
which
the
you
magazine,
can subscribe to
which-
if you click on the link in the
Which is really
description.
good because then that's actually written down and he doesn't fuck the audio up on that.
Yeah, because it's typing, but I do mess up the typing as well.
Yeah, spelling.
Because I'm still a degenerate. Is that the right word?
Illiterate.
Okay, yeah, that makes sense. Litter.
He's already fitted some nice big wheels and tyres to it. So our job is to fit a front A-bar. Woo, excitement.
A for awesome.
A for awesome, yeah. Some nice big suspension-y things, springs, to raise it up. And a snorkel, so it can go wading in deep water. In the background we have the beast that is the Navara that we already lifted, so it's quite nice that that's here today for some service work, which is quite cool. So that in the background, we're not going to be quite as big as that, I don't think, but it's still going to go up a couple of inches, make it look cool.
So basically, it's a swamper kit that we're doing to it.
Well done, you remembered.
Yeah, I did.
Yeah, because he's already put the big wheels and tyres on, which look really good, but just needed to lift it up a little bit to make it look even betterer.
Which you can see here.
So we've put an A-bar on.
So the first thing we did was the A-bar.
A-bar, which didn't fit
Why didn't it fit, Morgan?
because he has a splitter on it, which a splitter is basically meant to give you downforce.
But we're
Styling.
giving it
It's
upforce.
styling.
Yeah.
But a splitter is normally on a lowered vehicle, so technically we should have taken it off and thrown it away, but he wanted to keep the splitter, so we modified the splitter.
Well, that's a different fucking bar anyway. So that's that job done. We fitted the A-bar, which the customer supplied us. We had to trim around the splitter because he wanted to keep the splitter on the vehicle, which I don't know whether that makes sense or not, but that's what the customer wants. I think it looks good. We've trimmed round it, fitted it. It's on there. It looks really good, I think.